I've turned on the green light. Why haven't you come to me? Hey, what are you looking at? You want to try something new? Fine, I'll let you go. Oh no, I'm so done. Don't think of beating me when I'm annoyed. Seeing comedy definitely makes you laugh out loud. But look at Lisa, she seems to be overreacting. Do you need to act like that? Now try to laugh more. What are you doing, Bun? You want to kill Lisa? Ha, got you, coward. Wow, such a handsome guy. My heart really missed a bit. Forget the self-esteem. Sorry I slipped. My life is boring, and you suddenly came in. Where can you run now? This is the role model of family man. Both are alone now. They look good together, right? What a happy ending. However, if you were an ugly girl, will things be the same?
Wow, that's so beautiful!
What are you licking? Wanna fight?
Sorry.
Why do you have to be so angry? Don't challenge me. You called me? You must have good eyes. Get out. You're in my way. You annoying. I've been waiting. You are the best. Ha! Glad those who don't have boyfriend. Ew, look at his tattoo. Probably he belongs to a gang. I'm so scared. I'll be back. Don't think of running away this time. Stop. Don't drink it. What do you want? Go. You badass! Who gives you the right to expel my boyfriend? Open your eyes widely. It's lucky I haven't hit him yet. There is a huge difference between beautiful girls and not so beautiful girls. With pretty girls like Sprite, things always go in the right way. If you are not that pretty, will you be that lucky in the same situation?
Hey, how are you?
Everything is fine until Lisa turns around. Look at Bun's face. We can guess the uneasy result for Lisa.
Let's get ready to rumble!